How to link Cash App to your bank account. So firstly, open up the Cash App application, and after that tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen. Scroll it down, select linked banks, and after that tap on the link bank option, and after that you will be prompted to disclaimer page. From there, select continue. After that, you have got to select your bank account, and after you have chosen your bank account, you need to authenticate your bank account with your Cash App, and you will be redirected to your selected bank account, and you need to give certain permissions. From there, you will be redirected back to your Cash App account, and your Cash App will be linked with your bank account. So in this way, you can link Cash App to your bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe. Don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.